friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the new control center which is present in the POCO X3 device after the MIUI 12 update. So basically in the POCO X3, we will be getting with the MIUI 12 out of the box. So you need to know how to enable the new type of control center, as you can see. So by default, we'll be getting this kind of old style notification, as you can see, notification bar. So right now in this video, I'll be guiding you step-by-step process how you can actually enable this control center on the top, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of this control center as well. And if you're wondering what wallpaper I'm using exactly for this punch hole and the live wallpapers, so try to check the links in description and check my recently uploaded videos as well on the POCO X3. So where I did specific video only for the specific POCO X3 phone only. Try to check that wallpaper, so you'll get to know more details about the wallpaper as well, what I'm using, as you can see here, punch hole wallpaper. So try to check that videos in my channel. So let's get back into this control center, how you can enable. So first you need to go to the settings and go to the display, and under the display just scroll down to the control center and notification set. So once you're in there, try to click this option, use new control center. So once you click that option, as soon as you enable, you'll be getting this kind of new style of notifications and control center, as you can clearly see. And first thing is that if you want to access the notifications only, swipe from the left side, and if you want to access the control center, swipe from the right side, as you can see. So this is the one thing you need to remember. And if you ask me what is the drawback and disadvantage with this one, I will say two things. So first major drawback of this one is that before, in the old style notification bar, you will be getting the how much data you have used each day. But right now with the new control center, you won't get any information around here about the how much data you are consumed each day. So let me explain you what I am talking about. So let me bring back the old style. So let me disable the new one. As you can see on the top, today how much your data you have used, and this month how much you have used. As you can see clearly, you can see the data how much you have used. So nowadays we'll be using with the 1 GB 2 GB, so you should know how much data you are consuming every day. So this will be the best use case scenario where if you want to check the data, but with a new control center you won't get that kind of option. So that is one drawback. And second drawback is that, for example, this is a Redmi K20 Pro device. So in this phone, I was able to install the system launcher. With that system launcher, you do get some kind of benefits, like if you swipe from the right side, the control center will be opening, and if you swipe from the left side, the notification panel will be opening, as you can see clearly, friends, left and right. So you can see the difference. So this is the easiest way to access the control center whenever you want. So every time to access the control center, you need to swipe from the top only. So using this phone in the single hand is very difficult. So just imagine if you want to access a control center, every time you need to stretch your finger, or you need to use other hand to access a control center. If they are included like this kind of feature inbuilt in this POCO launcher, then that would be very much advantage. So these are the two drawbacks which I have found out here. So what I will do, I'll try to install the system launcher in the POCO X3 smartphone, and I'll come up with those tips and tricks as well. So make sure to follow me regularly for all these interesting videos on the POCO X3 smartphone. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.